There we go. Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. Oh, we got the arrow. New Year's, Christmas and New Year's must be over. Pylons are back in the road. Now you can see the grass matting along here, so you know it's already finished here. Now, this next road junction here where you see the equipment working, that's where they've had their equipment stored recently while they were on holiday. See all the trucks over there? The cranes are working. They're behind the gaming place here. Oh, they're working at it. They haven't forgotten us. But I don't see along here has already been done. The grass is coming back. So that may have been a more complicated spot. I'm taking a guess. And they left it to last. Okay. That's it about the water pipeline along here on US64. Steve AB4L going to go do his heart health climb on Faith Rock Trail, saying see you at 73.